there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver, and in today's video I just want to show you briefly how to use the destination filter in the driver's app. So you may or may not have it. If you do, it's going to be up here in the right hand corner. You'll see those two lines. So we're going to go online, we're going to log on, and we're going to click in here and set the destination filter. Now typically you get two destination filters that you can use during the day. And I used one already on my way home from work, so I was able to pick up a passenger. That was great. And now I am going to set one, and you can do it. Let's say you're heading to the airport, or you only want a ride, that's going to go to the airport, and you're hoping you're gonna get a fare to the airport. So I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to set to the airport. So they are going to find rides along that path. It may not go all the way to the airport. You might just get somebody who's going halfway to the airport, but they're along that path. So if you set that filter, there you go. Now they're going to ask you if you want to navigate right now, start navigation. I'm going to say no, I don't need to. I'm just going to sit here and wait. Now you can confirm that this worked because over here at the airport you see this icon here. So this means that you have your navigation and your filter on. Now, let's say you don't get a ride and you turn off, and you're afraid you've lost that one destination filter. Well, you won't, basically. So I'm going to show you. We're going to log off. Boom. And even because I did not get a ride along my destination, they are going to allow you to set that filter again. So if I had gotten a ride, then the filters would have been gone. So as long as you get a ride along the filters, that's when they are used up. So hopefully this was helpful. Always trying to find ways to make it better, make more sense, let you make more money, kind of have a little bit of control over your driving. Maybe if there's a big accident on one part of the town, you don't want to go near it. This is another way that you could use the destination filter. So like I said, hopefully this was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the road.